Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing my beauty haul, and it's actually not a lot of products, but these are just products I have accumulated in my room, and I decided to do a little bit of clean out because who knows when I'll be doing my next clean out when the baby arrives. So if you guys don't know, I'm currently 37 weeks pregnant, and so most likely this will probably be like my last beauty haul before baby comes, and who knows when I'm gonna purchase makeup next. But yeah, so I thought I'll do one more video haul for you guys, and then we'll see when's my next one. So let's get started. I have all the products behind me, so I'm gonna pick up the first one, and it's like a combination of like not just Korean, Japanese and American as well. And so the first one is actually this three here, and if you guys are like long time subscribers, you would know what this one is, but if not, this is my favorite makeup remover wipes, and I managed to find the actual version because they have like two different versions. They have like an old version that looks like this, and this one you can get from YesStyle, but this one is so much better because it comes with a case, which means that it won't dry up that quickly, and the sheets are way bigger. And to be honest, usually I use this more for like when I do my lip swatches, but a lot of people I know, when I first start off using this before cleansing balm, I would use this to remove my eye makeup straight away, and it really removes everything, guys, like from, you know, the eyeshadow to the eyeliner to the eyelash glue. It's just an amazing wipe, and I usually do tend to actually stock this up when I go to Japan or Thailand, but obviously I haven't traveled for like 2 years. I have ran out of this, and I managed to find one website that actually stocks up this, and the shipping was actually really decent, and the pricing was decent as well, and you can actually buy snacks on that site too. So I'll put that website for you guys to check out. Over here, this is really exciting, and I'm sure if you guys, because this video will probably come out after this, and this is from Etude House. So Etude House was really nice to send me the whole collection of the Locker collection, which is their new like Play Color Eyes chocolate collection. And yeah, so I got all the eyeshadow palettes, all the blushes, and all the lip tint, and oh my god, I just have to show you the packaging for the eyeshadow palettes because it's so stinking cute. It's like a wafer. So adorable. So I'll put like my review up here for you guys to see as well, but I thought I'll feature in here because I'm just so fortunate to actually got sent this by Etude House, and it's actually like my second time now receiving something from Etude House. And yeah, I just always feel grateful that I get this opportunity to actually, you know, review for them. This one is products from YesStyle. So I decided to make a purchase, and oh my god, like I think I made this order back in not even February. When was this? So they shipped it out in February, but I remembered I think I made this purchase like I swear at the beginning of the year, and they were just trying to stock up on one particular product, which honestly I didn't even end up being able to get it, so they refunded me the money. But anywho, I'll show you what I got. So I actually got a few stock up of the McQueen waterproof pencil gel liner because I think when I got this it was actually on sale. So I got 3 different colors, and they are just like combination of black, brown and like dark brown. I absolutely love this pencil gel liner for tight lining under my lash line because they are so creamy and smooth, and again gel like, and the best part is that it doesn't dry up. The rest in that box is actually a tint, and this is the Roman Blur Fudge tint. I ordered this beginning of the year, and they was just trying to find I think number 8 for me, and they just can't find it because it was obviously really popular. It's hard to find, so unfortunately I am missing one color, but I will be doing a review on this because apparently it's a really good tint. So hopefully I'm able to actually review this before the baby comes, so fingers crossed, but if not, it might be a delayed one, so please be patient, but I do have them with me. Now this one is really exciting, and this really reminds me of like a lunchbox, you know, like, you know, when Koreans bring like, you know, food to like their friends and stuff. they wrap it up like this. Like, I think that's what they were trying to achieve. And I got this from a brand. They actually reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try some products from them, and so I was like, sure, why not? And it comes in a box like this, plain white box, and when you open it up, it is so aesthetic because it's all just beautifully wrapped up. Look at that. Ta-da! And it's just like skincare product. And the first one is this House of Dola Rice Brand Facial Moisturizer, which is perfect timing because my husband and I, we usually use moisturizer together, and we just about to finish our last one, so this is perfect timing to try. And I think the rest are all House of Dola as well. And this one is a House of Dola White Rice Wash Off Mask, which is like stuck on the paper, but I think it's not, it didn't leak. I think it's just the wrapper at the back. This is how it looks like, and I feel like it's more than like one usage because it's actually quite a bit. So apparently you're supposed to apply this generously on your cleansed face and neck, leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with water. And this one obviously contains like natural rice water, so looks interesting. Last one is like, they're so beautifully wrapped up. Everything is just so pretty in here. And this one, look, it has like a little rice as well. I'm just gonna rip it because I've got no patience. This is the House of Dola Rice Band Toner, and you can see it looks like rice water as well. And this one is a rice extract full of rich nutrient which helps keep your skin clear and hydrated. So yeah, can't wait to try, but I'll definitely try the moisturizer first because I am really excited for that one. Last but not least is actually, I got this probably a few weeks ago now, and this is actually from my friend Judy, which I really want to feature in here because I'm just so lucky to have her. And honestly, like the last few months, she has spoiled me so much, and I miss her so much. Like, I don't remember the last time I saw her, so hopefully once COVID died down and stuff, we get to meet each other again and she gets to see the baby. But yeah, so she sent me this whole package of Colourpop stuff, and I think it's from like the same collection. I think it's like the Valentine collection, I can't remember, but it has like a whole set of like blushes, and these are the pressed powder blush. If I can find the link of buying it, I will put it down, but I'm not sure if it's still available because it is limited collection. But I definitely did try one of it, and I absolutely love the blush. And this is the Flit Alert, which is a beautiful mauvey rosy shade. One thing though is like I struggle to open this because like I crack my thumbnail, and so like trying to open this is actually quite sore, so I have to use like my second finger. Anywho, I love the size of this blusher, I love the packaging, I love it comes with a mirror, and this is such a beautiful rosy mauvey shade. Then she also sent 6 of the, what's this one, Colourpop Fresh Kiss Lip Cream, which I actually haven't tried yet, but I heard that is very similar to like our, you know, Korean tint. So this one I've picked out is called You Are Mine, and I'm gonna try and swipe it. Oh, it's very cooling and soft. It's very creamy, so I cannot wait to try this out. Look at that. I just love Colourpop stuff because they are like so pigmented. I'm just gonna quickly wipe this off because I don't want to stain on my wipe towel because I've been really clumsy lately. And then I was so excited for this one. This one is actually a really cute hairbrush. Like, look at that. Look at this heart shape. It's so stinking cute, guys. Look at that. I love it so much. So yeah, thank you so much, Judy, for sending this through. I would definitely use most of them and try them out. But yeah, so appreciative of her and just spoiling me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty haul. I just thought I'll film this because yeah, I don't know, I just thought why not upload this video and show you guys what I got recently and the stuff that I cannot wait to try, because I know my life is going to change when the baby comes. But yeah, hopefully I get to do more beauty haul video. Hopefully I get to do more trying Korean makeup video as well along with the haul, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.